Learning to brew with the Flair 2GO is very easy. There are two different options when purchasing your Flair 2GO, the grounds model and the pods model. Unfolding and folding the Flair 2GO can be done in 3 easy steps. To fold the Flair 2GO for storage or transport, release the lock using the red button and repeat the unfolding steps in reverse order. To brew freshly ground coffee with the Flair 2GO grounds model, start by grinding 15 grams of coffee with an espresso-capable burr grinder. Load the grounds into the portafilter, tamp on a level surface, add the dispersion screen, and load the portafilter onto the Flair 2GO base. Place a no preheat cylinder onto the portafilter and fill with boiled water to the max level line on the inside wall of the cylinder. Insert the piston with the attached pressure gauge into the brew cylinder. Lower the lever to force water through the coffee, and using the pressure gauge, aim for a 6 to 9 bar pressure. Your extraction should take 25 seconds. If the extraction is faster or slower than 25 seconds, adjust your grind settings accordingly. Using the pods portafilter is incredibly easy and is a convenient option for those on the go. First, using both hands, rotate both halves of the pod portafilter away from each other until they separate. Have caution, the fitted chamber is sharp. Do not put your fingers inside. Add the coffee pod into the top fitted chamber with the foil facing out. Add the bottom and rotate to close. Add the loaded pod portafilter to the Flair 2GO base. Place the no preheat cylinder onto the portafilter and fill with boiled water to the max level line on the inside wall of the cylinder. Insert the piston with the attached pressure gauge into the brew cylinder. Lower the lever and increase pressure until you feel the coffee pod puncture. Then increase pressure until you reach 4 to 7 bar pressure. The extraction should take 10 to 15 seconds. It's important to clean your Flair 2GO after every shot. If brewing with freshly ground coffee, detach the portafilter over a sink by gripping the brew cylinder with one hand and the portafilter with the other. If brewing with pod coffee, twist the bottom of the portafilter to unlock, separate, and remove. Remove the coffee pod, but leave the top of the pod portafilter in the brew cylinder. Remove the piston, rinse all parts using cool water, and set aside to dry. Do not use soap, as this will impact the taste of your future espressos. For a complete overview of the Flair 2GO, review the provided instruction manual. If you have any questions about your Flair 2GO, please reach out to Flair's customer service team via the contact page on our website.